What a really cute, amazing design.
Hey, how's it going? Today's drawing lesson is going to be simple and for beginners. So if you're a complete beginner and you've never drawn anything in your life, this is the perfect place to be. This is going to be step by step and it's going to be short. I try to keep these around the 10-minute mark. All of these are fun, so let's get started and jump right into it.
Hey, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Vivo from the animated film on Netflix. Vivo, it's a really cute little movie. I recommend you see it. Although if you're on this video right now, I probably thinking that you did see it. Try to check it out. It's a really cool movie. Otherwise, it's a cute little monkey that you can draw. It's a really adorable design, and that's pretty much it. If you're a fan of what I do here, if you're a fan of getting new drawing videos that are very easy and step-by-step every day, hit that subscribe button and click the bell notification. Also, check out the description. Lots of cool stuff there. There is a free how to draw cute ebook. It takes you how to take something that's normal and make it cute looking. Completely free. Go find that in the description. That's it. Let's jump. Alrighty, cool. So let's get into drawing Vivo. I'm gonna use this Crayola brand marker and regular printing paper. He's a cute little monkey. But yeah. So first thing I'm gonna do is I am going to draw his big old head. So right here, I'm gonna start with a curved line here. So, like so. He's got this little hat. I'm gonna draw a line here, draw a line across here, and then back up the other side of that hat. Pulling a longer line over here across for the rest of his head, down. Okie dokie. I'm gonna draw his ear over here. It's pretty big. So I'm gonna draw out, down, in. That monkey ear. Over here, same thing. Out, down, in. Down here, kind of the bottom of his face. So I'm gonna make sure this line kind of in my head connects. And then I'm gonna draw across the bottom here. Right on. So we have Vivo's head. Gonna go over here and draw a zigzag because he's got little fur. That's how we're gonna connect it. See that little fur? So it's really just a zigzag here on this side as well. I'm gonna draw a line for the inner ear right there. Another line. Another line. It doesn't have to be anything special. We're just trying to draw the inner ear. Line over here, line over here, line over here. Right on. So let's draw that hat. That little tiny hat. He's got like a little fedora. Line over here, down. So right now it looks like a little tiny, I don't know, French fry on his head or something. Gonna go over here, draw a cross. It's the band across that hat. One more, up, zigzag up, down. So if you look at those, they're really just kind of three different shaped boxes, really. Right? Let's draw his eyes. So we're gonna go in here. I'm gonna put like a dot over here and dot over here just to kind of figure out where my eyes are gonna go. So right now I'm gonna draw from here, circle, really big circle, but don't go past the halfway point. Like so. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, but not too close to each other. Not too close. Circle for the, like a little like bean shape for the nose, real tiny one. Smile here for his little monkey smile underneath that, really small as well. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a curved circle around just this little mouth area. Just get that little kind of the hair formation, right? And I'm gonna draw a kind of a curved line here around this edge, just kind of rounding around about. Right? Almost like a car winding the corner. And then I'm gonna draw a line across. Circle here. for the eye. Circle here. They're leaning more closer to kind of cross-eyed in a way. They're kind of closer than far away. There's something cute about that. I'm not sure what that is. There's really something cute about that. A little tiny circle here for the highlight. Little tiny circle here. And I want you to fill this, the rest of this in with marker. I know he's got brown eyes, but it's close enough. We can just fill it in. There we go. Right on. So let's go over here and draw his little, he has like a little scarf going on. So right here, I'm gonna draw a little circle below his neck. And then I'm gonna draw a kind of, the rest of the scarf shape. It looks like a teardrop almost. It's like the scarf that's already tied, a little leftover after you tie a scarf, right? So they look like little teardrops, shapes with a line in them. All right. Gonna draw a line out here for that scarf. Line out here, scarf. Line out for his arms. They're gonna be kind of out to the side. Down, down. Gonna draw a curved line over here for the chest area. Curved line here for the chest area. Line down for his waist, and right here for his legs, down here for his legs, and his feet are just kind of here. Line over here. There you go. I'm gonna draw a little, so for the hands, for this part of the hands, I'm gonna draw like one, it's gonna be like one piece right there. And then right here for the thumb. Right here, one piece for the four fingers, and then the thumb. As I go up, it's gonna get bigger at the elbow. So right here, it's gonna go bigger, and then bigger. So bigger, and then bigger. That's kind of his proportions for the most part. And we're gonna go around the side over here. We're gonna draw his tail. That's gonna just his monkey tail. It's got that helper monkey look. So you can put a line here for kind of the feet, and then for the the hands, you can also do some lines here to make it look like more like fur. There is a pattern here as well in the chest area that I guess I'll draw in. Normally I would just put it in through color, but I think I am going to draw that. So right here, he's got like a pattern on his chest, and I think it goes around this point here. Okay, so now we're going to get into color. Okay, so let's get into the color. He's kind of a golden monkey, so I'm going to be using, first I'm going to use Crayola brand colored pencils, except this one I have one random Prismacolor, so I'm going to use that. But I'll bring them in as I'm talking about them. So first off, I guess I'll do the aqua. Let me sharpen this real quick. The aqua is pretty, and the Crayola brand. Wow, that is really a weird sharpener. Ah! Okay. That kind of works, so it's going to be the stripe through his hat here. It's going to be aqua. And I'm just going to kind of press it in there. I'm going to press it in there pretty hard because, just that's the way this one goes, honestly. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to do the same thing with his scarf over here. And so that's mostly it for the aqua, I think. Now let's go over purple. I'm gonna have a light purple right here for his face. I think That would be good. I'm not gonna do it too dark though. I'm gonna do it relatively light. It might be kind of hard to see it in the paper. I hope it's not, but all these skin parts are gonna be purple. Like I said, if you haven't watched the Netflix movie, go watch it. It's really cool. I think it came out like a few days ago or something. I can't remember when it came out. It's gonna go over here, and right here I'm just kind of sprinkling it on, right? I'm not pushing down super hard or anything. With the Aqua, I was pushing down pretty hard, but this one I'm not pushing down very hard at all. And the nose is pink, but if you want, you can kind of put in maybe with this color as well, just color right over it. It's really hard to see his nose. I don't know, there's not a lot of contrast with his nose. And then you can go down here with the hands, skin here for the hands and the feet. It kind of gradates up a little bit. You can kind of do that. There's a little bit of gradation. Same thing at the end of the tail. The feet as well. Kind of has similar vibe to it. And let's go into the golden part, right? The golden, this one we're gonna use the most. So right here, I'm gonna more or less color it relatively flat. I think that's probably the best thing to do is kind of, this one I am pushing down pretty hard on it, but I think you can always, sorry if I'm shaking that. I know, I'm sure the audio is screwed up when it shakes, forgive me. Going over here. And just take your time, you know, just take your time. The hat is kind of white. You can kind of leave it like that, or you can kind of put a little bit of, maybe pepper in a little bit of yellow. But it's entirely up to you. But just make sure the golden fur part is there. That's going to be the most important part of, I think, Vivo's design. Oops. His chest I might leave as white as well, because his chest is a lighter. His chest is a lighter gold. So I might leave that pretty light, to be honest. Let's see this. I need the sharpener again. Let's see. Whoops. Go over here. Oops. I need to sharpen this again. Wow, this sharpener is like the worst sharpener ever. It's almost like it has like no blade on it. I have to clean it out, I think. I think that might be what it is. Ah, okay. There we go. It's coming back. Let me know if you've seen this movie, by the way. I'm imagining if you're going through this lesson, you've probably seen this movie. But otherwise it's just kind of a cute monkey, right? I'm gonna give the chest a little bit of flavor here, a little bit of color. I'm gonna go lighter here if I can. It might not even show on camera because I noticed yellows don't show up on camera sometimes. I don't know why. I mean, because they're so light. I believe the chroma is so light. Oops, excuse me. Sorry about that. I actually I forgot to plug in my the microphone I usually use, so maybe the audio is not as good as it can be. Forgive me. The next one it will be. Like I said, if you did like this video, please do me a favor and share it. Sharing is caring. When you share, basically there's a little option right below the screen on YouTube, and you can share it automatically somewhere if you're logged into like Tumblr, Facebook, or I don't know what Tumblr, but Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, any of that stuff, or all of them. That'd be, oh my gosh, that'd be over the top. But takes 2 seconds to share. If you did like it, it's better than tipping me. You know, even if like you're like, oh, you're not tipping money now. Like, I mean, that's cool too. But I was gonna say, what's even more, I would love more, and it's free, is just sharing the video. That would help immensely. Anyways, that's a cute little monkey. I really hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you in the next video. Okay. Thank you so much. Everybody's been super nice. If the stuff I do here is worth your time, please consider sharing. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Appreciate all the the support on this channel. You guys are amazing. Don't forget to hit the share button, share the video, and that's pretty much it. If you appreciate the stuff I do, like I said, if what I do here is worth your time, like I said, don't forget to hit the subscribe. It really, I post videos every single day, usually one in the morning. Not one in the morning, but I usually post one video a day in the morning. Maybe I'll post more again, but we'll see. But thank you. See you later.